Here is a demo web application using the Hoops web platform. Hoops Exchange has been used to read and convert an automobile door, interior panel, armrest, and window switch into a lightweight streaming form. Hoops Communicator displays the CAD data in a 3D viewer as part of a thin client application. Linked to the 3D viewer, there are several UI elements and widgets. Unique styling is done using the Bootstrap front-end component library. Automatic highlighting within the main 3D viewer forces the display of individual parts into a second view for inspection. Metadata about the part, possibly from both the CAD model or an external database like price, can be linked to a unique ID and displayed. If we know what part needs to be replaced, we can navigate to it and add it to an order. However, removal and reassembly can be very complicated. Because of Hoops Communicator's powerful JavaScript API, we can programmatically create an animation that shows disassembly and reassembly of the door. We can play through the reassembly or take it one step at a time. We can show detailed views by zooming in and showing further instructions. This is not a movie. It is the animation of a 3D assembly over which we have full control. That means we can change the view, add red line markup, and change the visibility and opacity of objects. Hoops Communicator has a number of different styling options. Someone looking at technical documentation may prefer an illustration view rather than a shaded model. This demonstrates just some of the functionality of the Hoops web platform. Please check out other Innovation Lab projects at labs.techsoft3d.com.